It's sitting right there in your kitchen. You use it every day, but chances are you've never thought about using it in your bathroom. Dishwasher tablets have recently become one of the most debated cleaning hacks on the internet. Some people swear by them, but is it really a miracle solution or just another overhyped trend? There's a reason dishwasher tablets are so powerful. They're highly concentrated cleaning agents, packed with enzymes, grease-cutting ingredients, water softeners, and often mild bleaching components. They're designed to break down burnt-on food and heavy grease at high temperatures in a short amount of time. And under the right conditions, that same power can work surprisingly well in the bathroom too. Why can it be effective against bathroom buildup? Bathroom grime is complex. It's not just limescale. It's soap residue, body oils, shampoo and lotion buildup, and even mold spores. The grease-removing and water-softening ingredients in dishwasher tablets can target several of these problems at once. When you rub a slightly damp tablet over surfaces like a porcelain bathtub or a ceramic sink, the concentrated cleaner comes into direct contact with the buildup. Many users report that yellow stains, stubborn limescale rings, and soapy films visibly fade or disappear completely. It works especially well on porcelain or enamel bathtubs, white ceramic sinks, toilet bowls, tiles, and grout lines. The secret isn't magic, it's concentration. Dishwasher tablets are simply stronger than most standard bathroom cleaners. How to use it safely? As tempting as fast results may be, caution is essential. Dishwasher tablets are alkaline, which means they can damage certain surfaces. How to use it? Wet the surface first, then lightly dampen the tablet to avoid scratching. Gently scrub, don't apply too much pressure. Rinse thoroughly with water. Always wear rubber gloves to protect your skin. Important. Always test on a hidden area first, where you should not use it. Experts warn against using dishwasher tablets on natural stone, marble, limestone, granite, acrylic or plastic bathtubs, painted or lacquered surfaces, colored grout, glass with special coatings. On these materials, the tablet can dull the finish, cause discoloration, or damage protective layers. Stronger doesn't always mean better. Dishwasher tablets can be useful when a surface hasn't been cleaned in a long time, stubborn limescale, doesn't respond to regular cleaners, heavily discolored porcelain needs a deep clean. But for everyday maintenance, regular ventilation, wiping surfaces after use, and preventing limescale buildup are far more sustainable than occasional heavy-duty cleaning. So, would you try it or not?